back to the channel, you turds. So we are taking off for VIR. We're gonna have a fun time. We're gonna see some races. Hope you guys enjoy. Oh my god. Bro, what is happening? Damn, oh my god. They are going to bust their going through here.
Bojangles trash box.
Nice. Is this it?
I guess. I mean, this is the end.
Oh, this is gravel parking too?
Is this the house?
Yeah. So we made it here, and the road in here was pretty sketchy to come into. But yeah, here we are at the lake house, and this is where we're gonna be staying while we're here at VIR. And oh my gosh, look at this, look at this. Ugh.
Hey-o.
You enjoy that gravel road?
Dude, it was the mud. Like I said, it was like a dirt bike trail, and there was like ruts. And you could see like the water was coming down from like a big rain or something.
Yeah.
And I mean, we did fine. Got a little squirrely.
Dude, I love this. See, this is some nice.
Right?
All right, we are hungry, so the rest of this video is gonna be straight up race footage, so on to that. That is a tie.
It was shaped like a little black bunny. It was shaped like a bunny. Give me some credit.
So we are leaving the track. We had a great time. were all baked though. The sun was out, and we had shade, but we were still getting baked.
I got heat rash.
Yeah, she got heat rash, and yeah, the race was great. That last race, that dude in the blue freaking motorcycle, I don't even know who it was, but he was hauling butt. But that's gonna be pretty much it for this video, and I'm gonna shout out somebody who commented first on my last video, Chuzo 1946. He said, "Solid crew, you got there, you turd." Winky face. I'm pretty sure I know who Chuzo is. But anyways, thank you for the comment. And that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay blessed, and we'll catch you guys next time.
You turds.
You turds.